We are not supposed to follow our passion. One is that passion is an emotion, and you don't follow your emotions. You lead your emotions. You are supposed to lead your passion as you will lead your other emotions. Okay? Like the Bible says, be angry and sin not. Anger is an emotion, but it tells you you are to control your anger. The same way you have to control your passion. So people say follow your passion to find your career. No, you lead your passion to a path that you want to bring a solution. That's how it's supposed to be. You don't follow your passion, you're supposed to lead your passion. The same way you have self-control, you need to have passion control. That means you have to lead your passion to a profitable end, profiting yourself and profiting others. Otherwise, you do something that probably only you will enjoy, other people don't enjoy it, or other people enjoy and you won't enjoy it. At the end of the day, you see there is no balance. But there ought to be a balance. You are feeding these people, but then at the end of the day, there is an effect, there is the feedback that satisfies you too. So, passion is not to be followed, passion is to be led. Lead your passion from today. I'm Onyi Nnebedum. This is Thoughts, Mind, Segment. See you on the